Okay, let's focus on questions and answer. Let's move to the next slide. So question number 276 say the effective teamwork between the program manager located in different region will possible by implementing which tools? And your options are option A, that it would be appoint a P3O sponsor for each region, collaborative tools, implement the portfolio prioritization and optimization technique, and support the fast track mobilization of the program. Now there are three types of the tool. First would be the individual tool, where relationship is one-to-one. Second would be the collaborative tool, where relationship is one-to-many. And the third would be an integrated tool, where relationship is many-to-many. Okay. Now, here out of the given option, appoint P3O sponsor is not a tool; it's a process. Okay. So let's consider this is a process. This is a tool. Implement portfolio prioritization is a technique. It's not a tool. It's a technique. And support the fast track mobilization program is again a technique. So I believe out of given, B would be the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, that is the most correct answer. Let's move to the next question. And the justification is also given. For your understanding, you can pause the video and read the justification if you want further elaborate on the question. Question number 277 says, what technique enables people to share experience by connecting people to information to other people? Option A, complexity modeling, management dashboard, skills development and maintenance program, and knowledge management. So now, here all are the different techniques, and they specifically ask connecting people to information or other people. So there are two ways to share the information. One, you can share through information. You can connect the people with the information, or sometimes you do a brainstorming session where you connect people with the people. So I believe knowledge management would be the right context in the given option. So option D would be the most correct answer here. Let's see. Yeah, that would be the most correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question 278. What should P3O recommend for must-do changes? And your options are option A, should be included in the portfolio to maintain BAU. Option B, should be stopped immediately. Option C, must be completed before new changes are started. And option D, should be realigned to existing objective. I ask you to read the question one more time. What should P3O recommend for must-do changes? Must-do changes should be included in the portfolio to maintain a BAU, or should be stopped immediately, must be completed before new changes are started, should be aligned to existing objectives of the portfolio. What should a P3O recommend for must-do changes? And I believe in must-do changes should be included in the portfolio to maintain a BAU. So I believe A would be the correct answer over here. Let's see. Yeah, that is the correct answer, because you should not do, it's a balancing act, your portfolio and BAU. And this is a change. So you have to balance both the things. So here A would be the most correct answer. And the justification is also given here. Question number 279 says, what techniques provide the benefit for checking the quality of the decision support information being provided to the P3O? Option A, business process streamliness, capacity planning for resource management, C, management dashboard, and OGC gated review technique. What technique provides benefit for checking the quality of decision support information being provided to the P3O? So here I believe you can straight away cancel option A and B, because they are not providing you decision support information. So I believe you have two options. Management dashboard is also providing the decision support information, and OGC gated review, that again provide you So I believe both C and D are the correct answer, but given decision support information being provided, quality of the decision, benefits of checking. So I believe here D would be the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah. So this is a eliminating technique what you zero down to correct the answer. So you have to eliminate the option which you think that is not relevant, or you think that both are the correct, but what would be the most correct, that you have to opt. Let's move to the next question. Question number 280. Please suggest appropriate use of project planning software for an organization whose P3 maturity level 1. So level 1 maturity is very low maturity. So there are 5 levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5. So level 1 would be there is no processes, ad hoc things. Level 2, there are some repetitive processes. Other level 3, various processes are very defined. Level 4, where you have and processes are very well managed, and level 5, where you are doing further optimization. So here level 1 is very basic. So as I told you, there are 3 types of the tools. First would be your individual type of tool where relationship is 1 to 1. There are second collaborative tool where relationship is 1 to many, and integrated tool where relationship are many to many. Now here, based on the maturity, so I always give you an example that you not allow to use arms to kids because they don't have that maturity, because they might disharm or harm themselves if you allow them to use the weapons. Similarly, the tools are kind of weapons for the organization by which they can make the task easier. But if your maturity is low, like you can't allow a kids to play with the weapons. Similarly, if your maturity of the organization is low, you can't allow them to go for higher integrated level 3 type of the tool. So I believe you can go either level individual tool, or slowly and gradually collaborative can also utilize. But I believe out of given context, C would be the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, that would be the correct answer. Okay, and you can read the justification as well. Okay, thank you. I believe that served the purpose for the day. Thanks for your constant learning. Thank you.